Hi friends, this is Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches, and in this very short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet into the back loop of your row. This is another way of crocheting our stitches by inserting our hook only into the back loop of the previous stitch, and it's a method you can use in many patterns. So let me show you how to crochet into the back loop only. I have already crocheted a row of single crochet stitches. I'm going to crochet single crochet stitches again, but you can use this method of crocheting into the back loop only in any other crochet stitch, for example in half double crochet stitch or double crochet stitch, whatever you like. So as usual, we are going to chain one in order to turn our work, and then we are going to turn our work to the left. And now what we would normally do is to insert our hook here between these bumps here in order to crochet our stitches. So if we crochet in the regular way, we would insert our hook here, so we would have this V shape on our hook. But now if we want to crochet into the back loop only, what we would do is to insert our hook here on top of our row and between these two loops that form this V shape. So we insert our hook here, so we have only the back loop on our hook, and then we crochet the stitch we want to crochet as we would normally do. For example, here that I'm going to crochet single crochet stitches, what I would do is to yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through both loops, and I have crocheted my first single crochet stitch into the back loop only, as you can see. So again, I insert my hook here. It will help you if you look the top of your project. So you insert your hook here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Insert the hook here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. It's very easy. So insert the hook here between your V, so you have one loop on your hook plus the loop that it's already on your hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. It would be a good idea to lower the speed of the video or pause it all together and try to practice at your own pace. But it's very easy. Once you understand where to insert your hook, it's very easy to do it. And it's a very nice variation because what you get here, and that's why we do it, let me finish and I'll tell you what I mean, is that by inserting our hook at the back loop only, this kind of lifts the stitches of the previous row, and they create this ridge as you can see. So this way of crocheting is used into many projects. So this is how we do it. I hope you liked my short video tutorial, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos soon. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.